Okay, alright. Add it up.
Alright, so welcome back once again to my channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, I am the protocol. So you guys watched earlier in the clip and you enjoyed it, and that's why you're sticking around with me. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this perfume commercial, and from start to finish, I'm just going to show you guys how I did the clips together and all of that. So stick around with me if you love editing, if you want to learn editing, if you want to start up and level up your game in editing. Definitely stick around with me and let's get the video started. Alright, open CapCut, open new project and select your clips. So these are all my clip of the shoots for the perfume videos. I'll select each and every one of them. I like to select all my clips together, watch them all the way through, so I'll get the inspiration of what I want to create on each video. So on the bottom part are all the features in CapCut, and they are the text and all of that. Then the top part is where your clips will be added, and you are going to see that on your own mobile device or any smartphone you're using to edit your videos. I added all my clips together, and I'm just showing you guys all the clips I have added together. Then I'll show you guys the transition bar where transition the two videos I'm going to make together. I'll explain for that. Now I'm extracting my sound, and I like to extract the sound because I want to use the sound for this particular editing, and I'm using my fave sound, which is Kelechi Premina. So I always like enjoying editing my videos when there's a song playing before editing the video. So once I put the song and I'm editing this particular video, I'll be going with the vibe of the song, so going with that vibe and editing my videos like that. So I love adding my song first for editing my videos. That is so optional for me. You can try this technique out, you can try this T part, and it's going to help you because the sequence. So a lot of people add sound, but into this video I'm extracting the sound from another person's video to edit this actual particular video with you guys. Okay, let's dive right into the video already. Alright, so these are the extracted audio and also all my video clip. I'll mute video clips. I'll mute all video clip at the left bar of that volume button. Then I'm going to select where I'm going to start doing my transition. I'll watch all the way through like I said already and see which one I'm going to use in editing, watch all my video through, put them together, move them together and all of that. So I'm going to start from this particular video right here. I was thinking of starting this video with the YSL feature on it, so I was just trying to use this. It's called the timeline. This white button here is called the timeline. I'm going to move my timeline anywhere I need to trim or cut out basically of my videos. So move the timeline anywhere you want to trim, cut out videos and all of that. So I saw this particular video is what I'll be using, so I try in using the timeline to cut, and the point of the YSL bottle or the cover of the bottle should just show for me to start editing. And now I am going with an animation. I use different ones, and I'm just showing you guys the different ones right here, but I went with the shaky ones, but I just tried different ones and I saw that this one was perfect. I played again and saw it was okay. It matched the sound of the video. I went ahead in trimming, I went ahead and going in again and increase the time lapse. So when you are adding animation, you're going to see your time lapse there either in or out of here, as you guys can see in this video. When you double tap each of the clip, it's going to show this other feature right here, and I'm going to use that button speed, and I'm going to customize my own speed, which means I'm going to make it fast and slow at the same point, but I'm actually going to make the time lapse really small. I'm just going to drag and reduce my time lapse and see how it works. So I'm just basically doing that way. This is really hard for me, you guys. Like voiceover, in editing. It's really crazy if you have not done this. This is my first time doing this, and I hope you guys love it, and I hope you guys are learning from this. Just watch the script. Now I'm adding transition. Like I said earlier, that button is a transition button, and we have different type of transition. We have the basic, camera, social media, MD, slide, effects, different type of transition, CapCut, add, and you can actually reduce your seconds. So that button is where you're going to put your time lapse, and it's going to play. But I like using the flash time lapse, sorry, I like using the flash transition, sorry. So I'm going to reduce my clip and all of that. So basically I'm just going to trim at speed so that the time lapse of the video will be short, trim at speed, then move the clips together. Like you can see in this video, I was moving different clips so I will be able to get that beats and sound in the video. So I'll be able to see different scene and visuals, like the way I shot the video. So now I am going to the actual speed of this video, and I'm still going to the customize one. I'm putting all together, make the video sequence really mad. Oh my god, you guys saw this at the early part of this video. So I'm just going to go in, same thing. One good thing about CapCut is that you can actually frame out your video, like zoom in, use autofigure and pitch the video to the exact size you want to keyframe on your video. Like I love that effect so much. So right here I'm going to, this is my trick and technique of filming and editing. I like to cut out each of the video 1 seconds, like what I'm showing you guys right here. I'll trim all of it in 1 second. I just want to expand it so that you guys will understand what I'm saying. But you can see all this video clip right there with 1 second, and I'll be trying to move them in between, like move them in places, drag and move them in different places. So look, this is what I'm talking about. I dragged the full screen to show you guys the different seconds, and I'm just moving the videos in different direction in between the 1 seconds video I trim together. So this is what I mean. These are the 1 seconds video, move them all together as you guys can see. I just like the effect it's going to give when you're about to watch the video, and the sound, like I just love it so much. So I go ahead in doing same thing on other clips, like just showing you guys through. So this is the speed, like where I told you guys you can customize your own speed. You can move those arrows and buttons. It's just going to show you where you're going to increase the speed of fast, you're going to slow your speed. Just move around and play with it. You can be able to customize your video, your personal video, and all of that. Then later on I'll show you guys how to add effects to your video, and what else, just add effects. Okay, now I'm showing you guys how to trim your song and add fade in at the end of your song. Like it makes sense when you add a fade out at the end part of your music, so that your viewers and everybody will know that yeah, this is the end of the video and they should click and watch that one. Just add fade out and put the time lapse of the fade out. I'm playing all over again so that I'll be able to get more inspiration of how to edit this video. The more you play around with your editing skills, the more you play around with your editing app, any editing app you're using, the more you'll be good at it, the more you learn and know new feature. That is it. Just play around with it, try new things, figure it out. Nobody's an expert. Like I said, I'm showing you guys video editing of effects, and now my effects are loading. I show you guys how to enter into the effects. These are the type of effects. CapCut has amazing type of effect. I've been using a lot of editing app, but CapCut stole my heart away these few years. So you can actually add different effects that will good or try out in your video. If they're not working out, try other ones, look for different ones. They are categorized in different places. They have the party, the blink, the zoom in, the animation, like a lot. You can look for the one that will be so specific for your video. But I actually chose one that was like a fitch eye. That was the effect I used in this video because that was what I needed in this video. So I hope you guys really learned 1 or 2 things from this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that ring bell button. Alright you guys, I just want you guys to subscribe to me if you're not yet subscribed.
The next thing is to add text to your video. Is actually needed in videos like this, and you need to add text in your video. You just say button text, click on it, add text, and you see different type of combination of text. Just clean and we add your text or your words or the words you want to use and create it. That is it. That is all.
Okay, alright. Add it up.
So if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that big bell button so you'll be always notified every time I put up a brand new video with you guys. If you guys want to see behind the scene of how I shoot my videos, not just how I edit my video, you want to see behind the scene of how I shoot my video, definitely let me know in the comment section down below, and I will put that in one of these videos right here. Just check out one of these videos right here on my channel, and I'll see you guys in one of these videos. Just click and watch it. Okay, bye guys.